Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the Google accounts you'll switch between. Make sure each one has an active phone number and recovery method so verification codes arrive. Once done, update and open the Google Pay app. It relies on current Play services and location permissions for setup. Next, add or choose the primary payment method for the first account, card, bank link, or UPI, because this determines how transactions and verification behave when you later switch accounts. Now add the additional Google account inside Google Pay by tapping your profile avatar and choosing Add Another Account. Sign in and follow identity verification prompts, since payments require verified identity. Once the second account is linked, add its payment method and complete any required bank or UPI setup so it can send and receive funds. To switch, tap the profile avatar and pick the desired account. Make sure you verify the visible payment method before confirming a payment so you're charging the intent. Finish by testing a low-value payment or request to confirm the correct account is active and the right payment method is selected. This prevents accidental charges. If a payment fails, rerun identity verification, check app permissions, and ensure a stable network. Many errors are permission or connectivity related. Finally, tidy up by removing any old accounts in settings to reduce confusion. If you still have issues, clear app cache or reinstall Google Pay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.